Hello everyone, welcome to Coinbase Global YouTube channel. Today, in the third video of our playlist, we will add Polygon network to our Metamask wallet. As you know, with this playlist, we are adding different networks to our Metamask wallets. We started adding Phantom Opera, and then we added Binance Smart Chain, and now we will add Polygon network, and in our next video we will add Avalanche network. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. We're gonna use the same method that we used to add Smart Chain and Phantom Opera to our Metamask for Polygon today. So we've opened Polygon's website, and as you see, they gave us all the information we need to add Polygon network to our Metamask wallet. I will give this website link in the description box below, so you can just click on it and reach out to this information. Or you can just pause our video and then copy all this information and write it on your Metamask page. Now we found the information, and let's just copy all these and paste it on our Metamask. Now for this, we open our Metamask, and as you see, there's a little arrow on the right top of our screen. Let's just click on this and click on Add Network. And then as you see, Metamask asks us to fill in these blanks with a network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. So we're just gonna copy all these information and paste it on these blanks. So we've copied and pasted all the information, and let's click on Save. And as you see, we've added Polygon mainnet to our Metamask wallet, and with our third video, so far we've added Smart Chain, Phantom Opera, and Polygon mainnet. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more playlists, educative videos about crypto and blockchain technologies. And see you guys in the next video.